This is the phase 1 for your individual weapons training. My instructors that are at every station have been trained by the Army Marksmanship Unit. You will be learning the most up-to-date marksmanship training.
Hello, good morning. I'm Cadet Cody Allen from the University of South Florida. 12 years in the Army, starting first class. I think the fundamentals for any time you pick up a weapon pretty much stay the same. So any weapon you pick up, as long as you stick to the fundamentals, that's key to being successful. Coming into this, I've wanted to remain humble, practice humility and those leadership traits, take it down like I've never done this before, and come out and do my best.
Go ahead, load up that first 10 rounds.
I'm Sahara Lawalia. I'm a cadet from Purdue University. Holding and carrying a weapon is a big responsibility, and knowing how to operate it is really important as a soldier. So not having any prior experience with it while other cadets do definitely makes me a little nervous.
Back it up some more. Good.
Just in every aspect, not even weapons, trying to pick up stuff that hey, maybe I don't know this, but you do. That teamwork is really important. I'm looking to my right and my left to figure out hey, can you help me out with this? So any advice really helps. Especially with the practice doing the table, that definitely helped, moving through all the different positions, how fast you need to move, making sure, hey, between each movement I put my weapon on safe and then back on fire, and then just practicing looking down my sight has definitely helped a lot. So I feel a lot more confident with the movements, and then also just in general I'm more comfortable with the weapon itself. Just being able to learn all this is just such a cool experience. It's something that other people will never get to do in their lives, so I think that's really cool.